abusia Seidu musi wo mo odin na sesi ade mo nya adwuma aye aye bokunto koye so far otumfo ajato ne ho so say wo be stop wo ma na abusia wo be solve bibia no se otumfo eye wo bia ba bi obekọ bia no eye na Seidu edinachi wo kai wo ko tachiman Seidu ekoye gangalia ekogina tachiman no ko tachiman yachi ena Seidu ko gina se tachiman yesahyen eye gaga se de ye be ma no wombra abusia finally adwuma aba we die enye se kobu obi anakonwumna obi we die eye chese official we die chese aban kuransa ehyaase eye bokudie na busia se bokudie ya bansa hyase na otumfo nso na bekwa kwatwa solve bibia na otumfo nso ewo mkrofo bi tse Sedumo edi na chi no ye behwe de ganafo eka ene chese se de otumfo hu woni Sedumo ebesi akoboko honom akwakoye o nsem kyerene astop bibia na mesramo woni before se bekwa kwahwe otumfo mu ni Sedumo sensem no ye nua bei boye mboko for story ni mu ankasa said ye si start ye ene said ye si ekọ ye ni emu nipa kum akunkunkum ene enwade ade no ye ntie no embransa na ye ba ye tie sim ewo Seidu ene otumfo mu ade yeso ekwan a o mo befa so akoboko konom yes
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Breaking news, breaking news. The breaking news I have for you. I was at work and we are at live. The IGP, the shameless IGP. I'm ashamed, IGP. I'm ashamed for you. This is shameless. Flee from Accra to Bakum to go and beg these armed robbers, these bandits, these terrorists, these Boko Haram, the jihadists who form themselves, calling themselves the whatever, to go and beg them and even to offer them work. You are going to recruit these criminals in police. Hey, then Ghana, you are dead. They will just come and rob you. Recruiting armed robbers in police. Subhanallah. All you could do is went and beg them. After the IGP was going back, they shot the car of the IGP. The car was shot. Boom! They shot the car of the IGP. A whole IGP car was shot by the Kusasi Boko Haram jihadis. Those we've been talking about every day and night here. Day and night. Okay, after burning police station, shooting at police, burning cars, burning houses, burning the majority leader house, burning Mr. Nominee, congratulations, bye, take care of you. They burnt that house yesterday with Mama Yerga's house. They attacked Pusga police station. They attacked police. They went and burned Mr. Upright's house, his family's house, and killed one person. They burned Binduri custom barrier. Binduri barrier, the custom barrier. There is some police posts at Kobore. They burn it into ashes. All these shameless Christian Teteno, so-called IGP, those who don't know their duty. They don't know their duty. They don't know their whatever. Flee from Accra to Baku to come and beg them. He said he's begging them. I'm begging you, and he even apologizing for the police dealing with them, for the police killing the criminal Fuseni Kafondo, that criminal, those who have been ambushing women, touching women, collecting their money. They stand at Zongo, collecting the chocos of the women. If you come back from Accra and you take the car of their station, they will take your bag and hide it and collect you money. They've been ambushing women, touching women unapproved, killing 6 months baby. Yesterday, the Lord of Karma just caught him red-handed. He was there because the police said, we don't want to see any criminal on the street here. Just disperse, vanish, just go. So they did not agree because that was how they are feeling with the sweat of the poor woman. No woman went to the market. They are lying. Nobody went to the market. All they could do is, with his convoy and whatever, these useless police, they went there and begged them and even offered to recruit them. You are recruiting these jihadists in Ghana police. Then Ghanaians, you are dead. He begged them. After the IGP was going back, they shot at the IGP. They shot the car of the IGP. And all what this IGP could say is a war zone. When you came to Boko, is there war there? Shameless leaders, bunch of idiots ruling Ghana, bunch of nothing ruling Ghana. Oh my God, an IGP, a police IGP. Where in this world would all this nonsense happen? Where? But I have a message for you. You, the jihadists, Boko Haram. Just stay where you are. Remain with the security personnel. You can do whatever to them because they don't value their life. They don't value themselves. They don't value the life of their family. Yeah, you can continue doing whatever you want to. Like this blow should just catch the head of this IGP, like we would have seen. And if it is a planned work that you should shoot your car, so that don't attempt whatever you are cooking. We know, and don't attempt. It will solve. We can do more than what they are doing, but we are law-abiding citizens. We respect the police. Every security in Ghana we respect it. Call security. We respect and the Mamprises will not engage anybody. The Mamprises in Boku Center, those who are living in Boku Center. Could you imagine? It was when the IGP came. He only went to the Kusasi and he didn't come in the town. Although we don't care because this problem is between the Kusasi and the securities. When you came, did you see any good house there? Did you see where they are living? You couldn't even come to Boku Central. You remain at the Binduri, whatever district. That the area is in Binduri district. That is where they are. That is where they belong. Small time they will move to Zebila. At first, you are doing this market at center, and you move to Alokun. Not just like the way you are doing your festival at center. You move to that. You move to Binduri. You move to Zebila. Small time. Just wait. Just if you don't stop this, your banditry, and you think we will allow ourselves for you to be intimidated, whosoever cannot intimidate us. See, you have pushed us to the wall. You have pushed us to the wall. Everyone, protect yourself and defend yourself. Boku, you defend yourself against any criminal, any bandit, because if you allow yourself, to be killed by this Boko Haram, the security cannot do anything.
Abusia, the security cannot do anything. And na IGP wako na say criminals unim say for no mujimu mono. IGP ko che baako e de ni tumbe so many years. Yes, about 3 years crying for no or che baako de ni tum. I want to nyanje for na we enye bibia ye kuntambia we e group kitu abi na wo mo ye sa no ma no e na aso mo agya wo mo na omo be ya na aginsamu tse di sisi Nigeria for aginsamu ama wo mo a Boko Haram for etete wo mo abusia yanshai eye Seidu aba bi otumfo be ko bia wone ne ko eya ne ho se ntoko ekohin ba hin die ya fama no na wonko awoko gina tachimanya osi tachimanfo mra na se wonku momu o se wonya ne de no sesi ade na adwuma abaso Boko ntoko ye so far a police for IGP mokura esuri sesi ade Seidu ye kan say na yi abaso na msremu ye ntie de etwagu e o hase ya efa ne ho.
Oh, for really a quick one, and say, in the name to qua as you Boko. Ameti na Yaman Penese, Kumase Hene, Utum for on encohe NCC Mamprusi and Nicosase for intem. Now I send Bisana say, do so quasi and a captain or Mukubiana because almost someone bought Otum for Hobby, or Mona Yotum for body guide. And a captain NC doing so a honomu free. Boko hono mu free and to kwanisi omonko hoda nti akoba no so otumfo ekosiesie no bibisa se wo medi na hia kokko bia na na ye masembisa sie du ne captain mu di akire akokko bia na because mote kumase na mu dwom anum se apart from bema bia ni ho nti ntokwa na asi omukrum no otumfo na ekosiesie nti mesram wo kwa mu na chi nkokko bi na ye hu se mu ye mema.
Na me say mo heard that screen is one. That police ni lady ni boy yo muku wo mu yenrechi ye wo bokui. Na wo hu ni enti say we ya obesidi atutu. Emo Ghana yehu amani o. Me pamacho. Empenyin for mo fa mo na nsi form. IGP and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama pamacho. We there. Eba mo fa police for nko ma yenko ku omu o. Mo fa asogest for no. Na hwede esi na pampam. Hey, na Ghana yegumu ahodo o. Ghana nipa no yegumu ahodo na nienti sei. Me nienti sei me hunu kono wantutu a mewu. Me tofo ma wu agya no ho. Na de we mu na gubako ho. Anya ha gubako nta kana nta kana kesa.
Abusia ana chese dumo eye se omo no tunfo be kode a na chese de ombe kwako fesi eno no eye killers ya mi show wo video ade akira wa even a police for kura edwane wo mo no eye wo mo na se dumo be kwako hia na imagine sento kwa ekoso se du kromu se du nkopata memum se du abakan mem se wo be kanto kwa we naka woso mutimi bo sedu jimijimi no naka woso mutimi bo ni tuo ekum ni wotachiman otase sento kwa koso ni kurom na wontimi nko ni kurom enko solve na wakotachiman ekokanto kwa foforo omu ye mistake naka woso tachiman for ni shoot say jimijimi sedu no entabusia se sia de ye hye se otumfo ede wo mo abekọ bokoko no mbia because some no mo so mo ye killers omutimi control bibia jimikeka die hia no mo nye otase yes enti ye hwe de besibia no ye de bebrem awen platform yi eso like ye video na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe mamefa wo ensi ahase ye